Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how to automate a PowerPoint file. This is my channel. Welcome to those of you who are coming to my channel for the first time. This is my channel. This is my website. You can go here to watch previous videos and tutorials. Okay, now I will start to make a video. I'll show you step by step how to create a PowerPoint video quickly automate it. How to quickly automate it. What do you need to do? You just need to have an idea and 15 minutes to style, process, creativity, structure, engage the audience. It sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? You'll be able to do this after this tutorial. According to research by a company specializing in data analysis, an employee will spend an average of 7 hours a day designing websites. Of that, 37% of the time will be used to edit the website format. You have to spend a lot of time editing PowerPoint. You have to edit a lot. It takes a lot of time. When I was a product owner at a company, I had to spend 50% of my time using shared files to analyze data. Then I had to make a PowerPoint presentation with the product managers, and it took a lot of time. Therefore, I'm looking for a way to do it so that it's the fastest way. In this video, I will guide you how to do it. So first, you need to have an application like ChatGPT. I will write a command, and these commands I will put in the description on my website, and you can refer to it. So each individual will have their own specialty. Here I give an example of a simple command. I will describe the command like this. In building a PowerPoint, it has the principles of the pyramid, the SQA method. I will not discuss it in this video today. I will focus on how to automate the construction of PPT content. You put it in this step. Okay, this sample prompt I will put it here. I'll put it here. The way I will guide you in. Oh wait, suppose now I don't have a PowerPoint file. Suppose I don't have a PowerPoint file, then I will create a PowerPoint file here, and it will give me a structure. It has a structure like this. For example, it has a structure like this. Then you copy that structure into your Word. Now you can edit by asking it to create H1, H2, H3 tags. Suppose I will copy a word. I will open a word. Then I copied it up. You copy the structure as is. You edit it. Now I'll give an example of a different template. You copy it in. Then you edit it. Pay attention to the structure. Example, the title will be H1. Subheading will be H2. And your slides. The title will be H1. Subheading will be H2. The main description of it will be H3. After you color it like this. Then remove any excess. You should edit it correctly according to AI knows this. You should edit it so that it is your title. The second case is that you can ask ChatGPT to summarize. Then you also make this structure to make a file PowerPoint presentation for the person you want to listen. For example, here I have created the template. For example, you can see this is H1, H2, H3. You see, it has a structure. Then you save the file. You choose Sell As. Then choose the format as restate format. Then you save it again. Why do you do that? Because in PowerPoint, it requires us to export it as an RTF file. I will continue. Remember to save another file as a normal PowerPoint. Why do you do that? Because at first I was guiding you how to create a new file entirely. Here, I create a new presentation. If you use Office offline, it won't have any function, but I'll demo it for you. Suppose you are using Office 365. It will have a feature. Then you choose Outline. You choose Outline. Then you choose the RTF file. format that I saved earlier. Then click on it. Uzi automatically? It creates for us. But how to make it look good? Said you go to the design section. Then, if you are using Office 365, it will have a feature called Design Ideas. Because I'm using the offline version, so it doesn't have it. So I've been thinking about how to find a way all day today. To research, then I found a simpler way, that is, we will use a software. Okay, I'll be back. We're going to use a software called Gamma. You can call this address. Go to it and then register. Using a Google account, log in using an email. I'm here, I have a Google account. I'm going to log in. Okay, after you have successfully logged in, it will give you 300 credits. I will guide you on how to do this. This is where you can click on it, then you copy this link and send it to your friends. It will give you 200 credits. It will give you 200 credits. I have referred some friends, so I have 550 credits. This is the interface, and to create, it is very simple. First, you create with AI. It's here. I already have a file. I'm going to use import. I'm going to import this AI import with my content. You can upload it with a PPT, a doc file. I already have a doc file. I made it earlier, then I upload it. Or you can do it from your blog, website. Okay, I will upload it. I will upload it. Choose a doc file. Here the doc file that I made earlier. Before, in case you don't have Office 365, you can use this. How much does it cost later? We will see how it works. Then it will run a section. In case it doesn't work, you can paste the text into it. Quite simple. I will paste it again. Because I did this, then it will output a file for me. Okay, I'll wait for it to appear on the screen, then you will be with me to see. Okay, after uploading it, it will display that I want a presentation format, presentation or web page. I'll choose the PPT type then. I'll continue. If you are not satisfied, you can delete it. It will automatically create it. It will give you ways to customize content. General, and this is the feature. It has some features to change. The language AI, I will choose Center, then I will choose the language English. You can let it automatically create images for me or automatic images you take from there. The format is like I said, you can add any structures you want, usually I'll. But for now, I'm not going to keep it. It has many other formats. Use it. I use freedom. It will say that there are 8 cards. You want to increase the style. You can increase it to 9, 10. Also, you broken up. Currently, I'm just going to demo 9 cards. That means it costs 40 credits. Okay, I press continue. Then this part, the system will give you options to add if you compare it to Office 365. I think on Office 365, it's more attractive, nicer than naturally this one. You can use both to compare. Currently, I don't have time to register buy an Office 365 account. I have one normal account, then you can. I'll leave it as default here. Choose professional color for you to choose. It will change when you. There are many, for example, press it. When you press it, it will automatically generate it. Press generate. This part, this application will create it for me. A file, now you can see. It will create everything and it will create the image for me. It's very interesting, very cool. Naturally, you can edit it. It allows you to edit it directly. Okay, it has created. It's creating the image. It's creating the images for me that match the content. Suppose, for example, you think the image isn't good. You can click here. You can improve it again. The English translation has many features. Usually I'll improve this one or I'll change the image. You can add another image. Each One of these features will have a credit, so you can use the way I said from the beginning to change the new images here. It has some options, you can remove them, adjust them. Overall, it's quite simple, it's not complicated. It will show up on the parabola of yours. It's like when you present, then you can duplicate it. It has many features. To export, adjust the style of it. Adjust the image, then you can click on the image, it will show up right here. Click on it to edit. Then this is the sample command that it generates for the image. Just now you can change, adjust, edit. It creates automatically. It will have modes like you want to present: horizontally, vertically, squarely, and its layout. It has many layouts. Usually I'm using the default layout. It's quite stable. You can upload your images from other software like Lenovo AI or use your own picture to upload it. Then you can adjust the image, and it has layouts to adjust diagrams, various types. It's already, I put it in, it will automatically go up. Then you can check it out. Then you can share it or change the theme of it. You don't want to use it anymore, you want to change it, press it, it will automatically apply it right away. Then I'll go back to the first page. Then you can choose this part, you can download it. Okay, you go back to the file, then you choose this part. It has this one here. Then you press share. It will have share for your team to analyze various types. Share it with someone. You can embed it on a website. Here, it will give you a link to share. It will have a share for your team to analyze various types. Share it with someone. You here, it will give you a link to share. It has a share for your team to analyze various types. Share it with someone. You PPT is still being created, not finished yet. I pressed export, but it took too long. It said it will send an email with the file. You see? The way it downloads is similar to the file here that I'm displaying. I downloaded a file earlier. Here, I have downloaded a file. I will open it for you to see. Here, we can edit it like normal. Edit the image. Look, it's very beautiful and very fast. Today's video ends here. Thank you for watching this video. Continue to follow me. I'll buy an account. I will guide you on how to use the design idea of Office. However, you see a family package. It's also around $100 the whole family compared to $8. Then I think the package on the other side is cheaper depending on the purpose of the use of your. In addition to that, I have some other tips. I hope it will serve you well in the future when you watch this video. Congratulations, keep going to do better than the beginning. It can be a little difficult, it's true. It will always be difficult when you learn something new. This is a process that completely changes the way you think and how you present. You've been doing it for many years, but trust me, when you apply this method automatically, lectures and presentations will become easier and save time. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel.